Hello friends, welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for the FITTER 2020 and a Mechanical Engineering students. The problem number 4, the projection of a plane. Draw a projection of a rectangular hexagonal of 20 mm side having one of its side is HP inclined at 60 degree and the VP an angle of 45 degree with the HP. How to draw with the procedure I will tell you. Take a x-axis and y-axis like this. It's going to be a x and y, HP and VP. So the given solution given is rectangular regular hexagonal. It's given like this. Dimension is 25 mm diameter. Condition: one side in HP. The theta surface 45 degree angle made with HP. Then one more, the theta h 60 degree, the angle made up of with VP. So the question has been given like this. So we have to take 90 degree of 25 mm, 90 degree of and 25 mm like this. After that, using a protractor, take 120 degree. Using a protractor 120 degree from the point where the edge is here. Have to take 120. So that the angle will come like this. And like this. After that, using a compass, take this 25 mm, cut one arc. 25 mm, cut one. Take 120 degree from here, 110 degree from that side. After that, using this regular hexagonal is 120 degree, so that it will come like this. After that, make 25 mm from here, cut an arc. Take from here 25 mm, cut one arc. After that, draw a regular line like this. Take from a compass, cut one arc. Take a arc from this, cut one arc. So regularly it will come 25 mm, 25 mm and 25 mm. So it will come a regular hexagonal like this. So you will get hexagonal like this. So name the parts like this: A, B, C, D, E and F. After that, using a protractor, join this line. So that going to be here a top view. So this will be a b dash, a dash, e dash, f dash, d dash, and e dash. So after that, using a protractor, what the question has been given is 45 degree. The surface of a making an angle, the VP of a surface making an angle of a 45 degree in the HP. So that you take a middle point like this, T 45 degree, cut one, draw a simple line like this. After that, using a compass, from a B dash and E dash, it will cut one arc. Again, E dash, cut one arc. So name the parts like this: B dash, A dash, E dash, F dash, D dash, then E dash, D E, E F, C. Sorry, this is a C. You will get a regular point like this. So it's going to be a 45 degree. After that, using a protractor, draw a projection line like this. So that the projection line will come like this. So you get a point, regular point 1, this is a 4, this is 2, this is 3. So you'll get a regular point like this. After that, see this drawing going to join this, so you'll get hexagonal like this. You will get a regular hexagonal like this. It's going to be A, F, E, D, C, and B. So question has been given like this, so it will come like this. After that, HP and incline angle is 60 degree to the VP. Make one point here using a protractor, mark into 60 degree, so that you will get a regular line like this. So what the square has come, we have to cut here. So the angle as I been taken is 60 degree. By using the compass, we can make it very easily. From a point 2 to point 1, cut an arc. What the 2 point and the 3 point that is there, cut an arc. So you make a square. How much they are given? 20, 20, 23. See, from E, F point. From E, F point, cut one arc. Cut an arc. From C to D, cut an arc. 2 to B, cut an arc. From middle 4 to F, cut an arc. C to Z, cut an arc. So you will get like this. After that, just you draw a hexagonal line. It's very easy and simple. If you like this video, please share to your friends. Put comments, share, chat, anything. If you do subscribe, I can do more videos like this. It's very easy. What this hexagonal has come, I'll taken like this into 60 degree. After that, draw a projection line from the D, from a C, F, draw like this, A, draw like this, from a E, draw like this, from a D, draw like this, from a C, draw line like this, wherever you left, B, draw like this, F, draw the projection line, A, draw a projection line. It will come like this. So this is the E point, this is the C point, this is the D point, this is the F point. Keep on going like this. It's going to be A here, it's going to be B here, C it's going to be here, D it's going to be here, then E is going to be here, then F it is going to be AF. A it's going to be here, F, E, D, C, then the P. So your hexagonal will come like this. From E like this, and F like this, in the A like this, in the B like this, then it's going to be here. So it is going to come like this. What the point has been taken here. If you like this video, please share to your friends, put comments. So the drawing will be like this. What the point I have been taken like this. Thank you for watching my channel. Please share this video. Thank you. Don't waste the paper. This is a corona time. Please safe, be at home. If you like this video, please share to your friends, put comments. Thank you for watching my channel.